Hi, good day everyone. This is Casey Toms and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are now heading to the most popular and the largest caverns here in eastern United States, the Luray Caverns. I'm so excited! The GPS estimates that it'll take us about 3 hours to get there, but it's totally fine because I am enjoying the beautiful scenery right here. Hi Luray Caverns, here we are! We are finally here and the first thing that we need to do is to get our tickets. Unfortunately, they don't have a tour guide inside for the safety of everyone since we have a COVID pandemic, so I'm just going to get these pamphlets that contain all the information about the caverns. I just want to let you know guys that you don't need to have reservations to go to the caverns. You can just come here and line up, or you can also avail it on their website. And this is our lunch. We need to make sure that we are full and that we are not hungry. And also I suggest that you guys can use the bathroom before you enter the caverns because they don't have one inside. Hi, we just finished our lunch and we are now going inside the cavern. Nice view. This is the largest and the most famous cavern here in Eastern United States. It's nice, it's bright here. It's a real stone. It's a little slippery here guys, be careful and also wear your most comfortable shoes because we are going to walk for around 1 hour and more. If without this pandemic, this place is gonna be a lot more crowded. This dream lake creates the illusion of a small sea of underwater stalagmites. In this area, what you are really seeing is a perfect mirror reflection of the ceiling. And this is the largest body of water in Luray Caverns. The deepest part of the lake is between 18 to 20 inches. This is probably my third most favorite part or area here in Luray Caverns. And if you want to find out which one is my second and my first favorite here, keep on watching. This is perfect. The temperature here inside is about 54 degrees, but the high humidity makes it feel like 65 degrees. So I am wearing a light jacket just to make sure, but after a few minutes, it was just a normal temperature, so I took it off. Have you ever thought of getting married in the cave? Well, a lot of people have already done that here in this cathedral, once known as the ballroom for the occasional dances held here. This cathedral is also home to the great stalagpipe organ, the largest musical instrument in the world. having appeared in the Guinness Book of World Records. It just feels so magical when you're here. Well, as for me, this is my favorite number one area here in Luray Caverns. Next up is the Wishing Well, my second most favorite area here in Luray Caverns. Keep on watching. So this is the Wishing Well. It is the deepest body of water here in the caverns with a depth of 6 feet at the center. So this is my second most favorite area here, the Wishing Well. At the end of the year, 2 to 3 feet of coins will cover the bottom of this pool. The coins are collected annually and awards are made to national and regional health, environmental, and educational organizations. Look at this. I have enough. That's it, guys. I really had a beautiful adventure and unforgettable experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!